While February was quite relaxed related to crypto, we just went nuts from what is happening this March. Bitcoin had a wild ride in the first half of the month. First, it dropped below $20,000, then it went flat for a little while and suddenly recovered by up to 30%. All of this in just a couple of days. Hey there, I'm Eleonora, the product owner at Exma Study, and in this video we're gonna talk about what went down and what's causing all this crazy market behavior. But first, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell below. Let's get started! The crypto market is all about ups and downs. At the end of February, BTC couldn't break through the resistance level of $25,000. That's because most market players were selling to take profits. Even someone who bought 1,000 BTC 4 years ago sold all of their coins and made almost $20 million. Not a bad deal, right? Okay, now let's get back to the point. March didn't start off too well for Bitcoin. There was a lot of bad news and regulatory attention, which caused the price to drop even more. First, Silvergate Capital, a bank that deals with cryptocurrencies, warned regulators in the US that they might go bankrupt because of liquidity issues. This caused their shares to plummet by 58%. Bitcoin reacted immediately and dropped by 5% to almost $22,000. A bit later, Silvergate announced that it is winding down operations and voluntarily liquidating. Its major clients like Coinbase, Circle, Paxos, Bitstamp, and others said that they will suspend business with the bank. And as expected, the company's stocks took another big hit, plunging by 36% in after-hours trading. Guess who was a major Silvergate bank customer? Yeah, the bankrupt crypto exchange FTX. And in December 2022, the bank's CEO Alan J. Lane was sued for making people freak out and causing FTX to go bust. The bank allegedly transferred FTX customer deposits into Alameda Research accounts. Now the bank is also closed. Who knows, maybe it's karma. On the bright side, according to a liquidation plan, all deposits will be fully repaid. But this caused BTC's price to fall below the 20k mark. But wait, there is more. Circle stablecoin USDC also took a hit and lost its dollar peg, falling to a record low of 87 cents. This all was right after the company revealed that they had more than $3 billion of their reserves exposed in the Silicon Valley Bank, which also collapsed on 10th of March. Fortunately, after just a couple of days, the stablecoin managed to regain its dollar peg. The company stated that the reserves within the Silicon Valley Bank are now fully available. Now here is the interesting part. The troubles experienced by USDC and other stablecoins actually helped Bitcoin recover. It happened because investors shifted their focus to BTC, ETH, and other major coins when stablecoins weren't looking so stable. Major BTC holders added more than 820 million to their accounts in just 1 week. Another possible reason for Bitcoin's amazing performance are Minister of Finance, the Fed, and the President of the United States, with their promise to resolve the situation and fully protect the clients of the collapsed banks. Whatever it was, the price of Bitcoin crossed the 26,000 mark, and this is even despite all the regulatory scrutiny. Yes, US senators seem to keep their war on crypto. This time they're going after Binance. A group of US senators has accused Binance of being a hotbed of illicit financial activity. SEC officials stated that Binance US is operating an unregistered securities exchange. A few days before, the SEC chairman said that he considers all crypto assets and all exchanges to be subject to US securities laws, except for spot trading for Bitcoin. Many people believe that US regulations want to impose their laws on the crypto industry to allow traditional large banks such as Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and others to enter this growing market. By the way, HSBC Holdings signed off on a deal to acquire the Silicon Valley Bank's United Kingdom arm for £1 sterling. A bank cost like a loaf of bread. As we can see, this situation does play into the hands of the largest banks, at least because they can actually buy small ones for next to nothing. Federal Reserve is also to set up a $25 billion credit line to help fund institutions that could be subject to a banking panic. But the best news is that the Fed will most likely ease its monetary policy due to the ongoing banking crisis. Plus, the consumer price index rose 0.4% in February and 6% from a year ago, in line with market expectations. The crypto market showed a positive reaction to the news. The general oversold conditions on the crypto market also contributed to Bitcoin's growth. As a result, BTC hit its 10-month high. It's hard to predict what will happen next, but Jim Cramer suggests selling. However, the market tends to behave in the opposite way to his tips, so it may be a good idea to buy some BTC. Well, that's all for today. Keep calm and watch out, BTC. It will definitely surprise you soon.